Hello, my name is Silva Pfeffer. I am a team leader of this group. We are here for a presentation under Independent Applied Research in the Management. We all are here as a group member. I will start my presentation and followed my group member will present all the presentation. We are in the tutorial 11 in Mohammad Wajib group. Our group number is 4. Now I will start my presentation. Now I will talk about our topic. Our topic is analyzing and resolving Boeing's current management and challenges. This is my group members with their names and their ID numbers. Now I talk about the Boeing. First of all, what is Boeing? Boeing is a company that makes airplanes, rockets, and the other aerospace product. It's one of the biggest and the well-known aircraft manufacturing company in the world. The introduction of the Boeing was founded in 1916s. They are divided into so many companies. After that they merge one company and they found a big company and there is Boeing. Boeing is one of the aviation industry's most established corporation with its found dating back in the 1960s. Boeing has found modern aviation with so many memorable and products such as 737s and the 747s. Boeing has faced unexpected experiences and thrives in its market position in the global aerospace in the world industry. Now, I'll start with some of the challenges of the problem of the Boeing that are facing nowadays. First of all, it's decide to main issue. Boeing is focusing too much making money in not enough for the safety. They are not providing the safety rules. To compare with the Airbus, especially their 320 narrow bus, Boeing rushed to develop the 737 MAX. This hurry led to safety problems and it contributed to the tiny crash we all heard about. Another problem is they are facing the jet problem with the 893 jets requesting inspiration. Another problem is within Boeing itself. In 2019, a survey showed that about the one-third of the Boeing employees was pressured to improve airplanes design even when they have safety concerns. If I talk about the extent of the Boeing problems, there are lots of problems they are providing. In the issue of the 737 MAX, regarding the electrical problem in 2021, the FAA reported problem in the MAX resulting in the grounding of 106 grounded 737 MAX aircraft. They have needed to be checked for the structure of the issue. Such problems contribute to the decrease in the market share for 47% in 2018 to 37% in 2022. The next slide is the roots cancer of the Boeing issue. They are prioritizing profit over safety. Thus, 737 MAX development to compare with the Airbus A320 Nero. After that, they are providing the cultural issue. A third of employees surveyed in 2019 reported in a approval aircraft described in a consent. They are providing cost-cutting measures and they drop down their cost and they are providing a less manufacturing in a high rate of safety. Now, if I'll talk about the conclusion, despite these serious challenges, Boeing is working hard to fix these issues. The company is focused on making the challenges and the aim to be a profitable again in 2025. Now, the Boeing aim and the future is to improve their quality of the safety. Nowadays, they are planning to focus on reducing the environmental impact of the evolution, enhancing the safety and the comfort of their plants, and expanding their role in space exploration. Boeing also aims to improve digital and the autonomous technology to make advanced and the safer and the more efficient. Now I will hand over my presentation to Nadia.
Hello, my name is Nadia, and today I will be discussing Boeing's recent challenges and their impact on stakeholders and how the company is responding. My presentation will cover Boeing's impact on stakeholders, a competitive analysis, and Boeing's response to challenges and the regulatory and legal hurdles they face. I will begin with the impact on stakeholders, followed by how competitors have capitalized on Boeing's difficulties, then move on to Boeing's response and conclude with an overview of the regulatory and legal challenges they are currently facing. First of all, I will talk about the impact on stakeholders. Stakeholders, stock prices dropped. Stock prices dropped 50% from March 2019 to March 2020. Customers' impact on Boeing's airlines faced $1 billion in loss revenue due to 737 MAX grounding issue. Victims' families have some of issues about the impact. 2.5 billion settlement reached in January 2021. Stock prices declined 50% from March 2019 to 2020, and customers have also some of issues with that Boeing's impact. Airlines lost $1 billion in revenues because of the 737 MAX grounding. Suppliers also have some of issues. The implementation of the austerity measures brought production cuts affecting many suppliers. Source from FT 2024. Now I will discuss about the competitor analysis. Airbus as well, Lockheed Martin, emerging players, and some of other companies took some of advantages while the Boeing company was down with their business. And Airbus increased their market share from 45.3% to 62.5%. It happens in 2018 to 2019. Lockheed Martin defense revenue grew 9.3% in 2020. Emerging players, Comac China, this is a company from China, it received 815 orders for C919 through 28 customers globally. While Boeing struggled, competitors gained. Airbus, they increased their market shares. Lockheed defense revenue increased, and emerging players Comac China had gained 815 orders. SpaceX also launched their commercial issues 21.8%, and it happened in 2020. Now I will discuss about Boeing's responses to challenges. Boeing takes action like changing leadership by having Robert Kelly as CEO. And safety improvements, 8.5 million invested in pilot training And restructuring 6.3 billion cost-cutting plan announced. Boeing changed their CEOs in 2020 to steer up the company through the crisis, and they invested 8.5 billion in pilot training to improve their safety standards. Then they announced a 6.3 billion cost-cutting plan, which is massive change for the company's achievements, and they introduced monthly report on 737 MAX orders and deliveries. And they implemented a 10-point improvement plan in manufacturing. Now I will discuss about regulatory and legal challenges. They settled a Justice Department with 2.5 billion in 2021. Then they fined $17 billion for the unapproved sensors. The European Union conducted the independent review of the 737 MAX. Overall, Boeing has faced significant challenges while other companies take the advantages, and then again Boeing company did their work plan very tidy, and then they got the reputation again, and they have now a super convenient orders and deliveries. Overall, Boeing has faced so many significant, nowadays it's actively working and addressed to them. Thank you for your attention, and I am happy to take any question now. I would like to invite my other group members, next group members, to discuss about the rest of presentation. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Maimuna Khanum. Now I am going to talk about 4 slides. First one, Safety and Quality Improvement Initiative. Boeing committed to enhancing safety and quality through 3 key initiatives, which are refining production process, safety management system, increased R&D investment. These steps underscore our dedication to maintaining the highest safety and quality standards. My next slide is customer trust and brand reputation. The recent issues that Boeing company has faced, such as the 737 MAX crashes, immensely affected the customer base. In an effort to the customers' trust, Boeing has established clear reporting to the issue to the public on large-scale safety programs, and work together with its existing airline customer for enhanced pilot education, enhancing the positive customer sentiments by 15% in 2023. My next slide is financial analysis. This slide was Boeing net loss of $5.5 billion in 2022, thanks to the order cancellation and legal settlements. While the key operation indicator, the revenues grew 7% in the first quarter of 2023. The company has no miracles new profit till 2025, highlighting the need for a company's long-term recovery plan and cost control mechanism. And my last slide is technological innovation and R&D. Boeing investment $3 billion for the years 2023 on advanced composite materials and autonomy within the flight system, respectively. New features including composite winglets in the 777X and next generation airplanes system meant to make it burn less fuel or be safer. Place Boeing on the cutting edge of airspace technology advancement. Now I will hand over the presentation to my next group member. Thank you.
Hello, this is my Miss Shriyanakta Deepa, and now I'm gonna talk about my slides. My slide is market and industry trends. Sustainable aviation is the new global trend in the aerospace industry, which is expected to register a phenomenal market growth of 4.1% CAGR by 2030. Fossil fuel-based competitors like Airbus are very advanced in green technologies. Thus, Boeing must step up sustainable projects. My next slide is cultural and organizational changes. Boeing has tackled some of the issues derived from the organizational culture, including the reshuffling of the company's leadership and promoting the concept of aviating safety. Because of the new safety executives and the emphasis on using a speak-up culture, the company has received an increase in internal safety reports, showing the desires of the employees. My next slide is strategic partnerships and collaboration. The rules of these partnerships are to improve the strategic position of Boeing with the help of NASA and the acquisition of Embraer. They primarily involve collaboration on programs in sustainable aviation and other business verticals of the aviation industry, as well as an attempt to enhance innovation and exchange of technological development in areas of manufacturing. My last slide is risk management strategies. The current risk management of Boeing involves such measures as the improvement of the firm's crisis communication plans and the development of new approaches to the supply chain. To reduce the effects of production disturbances, Boeing is planning to conduct supplier audits more frequently by 30% and develop strategic options for the second-tier supplies. Now I hand over my presentation to my next group members.
Hello, my name is Varun Patel and today I'm going to discuss about risk management strategies. Today I want to talk you through Boeing strategic vision, touching on its own commitment to sustainability. The step is taken in the short term to address immediate challenges and the long-term strategies that will ensure its continued success in an increasingly competitive and environmentally conscious market. To start with sustainability and environmental considerations, an area where Boeing is taking significant strides. The aviation industry has long been under scrutiny for its environmental impact, and Boeing is addressing this challenge head on. The company is committed to reducing its carbon footprint through the adoption and promotion of sustainable aviation fuel or SAF. SAF is a game changer for the industry, offering a way to power aircraft with fuels derived from renewable resources that significantly reduce carbon emissions. But Boeing isn't stopped there. They have set a bold target to clear statement of Boeing recognition of its role in combating climate change. By 2050, Boeing aims not only to neutralize its carbon emissions but to lead the industry in setting new standards for environmental stewardships. Part of this effort includes a focused approach to reducing CO2 emissions to level comparable with or even lower than those produced by conventional jet fuels. These commitments underline Boeing's role in a shaping of sustainable future for aviation, positioning itself as a leader in environmental responsibility. Now talk about the short-term solutions. As Boeing looks towards the future, it's also keenly aware of the intermediate challenges that needs addressing. The aviation sector is not without its pressure, and Boeing has laid out a clear roadmap for its short-term actions. First, there is a strong emphasis on enhancing quality control measures. In an industry where safety and reliability are non-negotiable, ensuring that every aircraft part and service meet the highest standards is critical. This not only safeguards Boeing's reputation but also builds trust with customers and regulator alike. Now, another immediate priority is investing in employee training. Boeing understands that its workforce is its most valuable asset. By equipping its employees with the latest skill and knowledge, Boeing ensures that its team are prepared to tackle the challenges of today and the innovations of tomorrow. Whether it's through advanced training program or hands-on experience with new technologies. Boeing is committed to maintaining a highly skilled and adaptive workforce. Furthermore, Boeing is taking decisive steps to strengthen its financial position. The company has to set a target to reduce cost by $1 billion in 2024. This cost-cutting initiative is not just about trimming expense, it's about making strategic investments that will drive efficiency across the organization. By optimizing in operations and relocating resources to high-impact areas, Boeing aims to enhance its competitiveness and profitability in the near term. Let's discuss about the long-term strategies. Uh, Long-term strategies, while the short-term measures are crucial, Boeing vision extends far beyond the immediate horizon. The company's long-term strategies are designed to ensure sustained growth and market leadership. A key pillar of this strategy is the diversification of Boeing products portfolio. In an industry that is the constantly evolving, diversification allows Boeing to spread its risk and tap into the new markets and revenue streams. This approach is particularly important as the company seeks to innovate in areas such as autonomous flight, space exploration, and advanced materials. Innovations will be at the heart of the diversification. Boeing is not just focused on the products it offers today, but on developing the technologies that will define the aircraft to revolutionary approaches in the air traffic environment. At the end, I'll talk about the conclusion, and in conclusion, Boeing is navigating a complex landscape filled with both challenges and opportunities. The company faces significant hurdles from environmental pressures to financial demands, but it is well prepared to tackle this head-on. Through its commitment to sustainability, Boeing is not only reducing its environmental impact but is also setting a new standards for the industry. The company's short-term initiatives will shore up its operations, enhance its workforce, and improve its financial resilience. Meanwhile, its long-term strategies will ensure that Boeing continues to lead the market, driven by innovation and strategic growth. As Boeing works towards these goals, the overarching aim is clear: to return the profitability by 2025, but no more than that. Boeing is striving to secure a resilient and prosperous future not just for itself but for the entire aviation industry. Through these efforts, Boeing is positioning itself as a forward-thinking leader ready to meet the demands of today and the challenges of tomorrow. Now, these are the reference list from where we have taken the uh, uh, information, and thank you for listening our project. This is my team. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.